Hello, today we're going to show you how to replace the GoDex EZ T2 latch hooks. These hooks sometimes break pretty easily, so there is a way to replace them. So the first thing we have to do is just get a regular Phillips screwdriver and remove these two Phillips screws. So let's remove them really quick. Okay, so these two screws actually hold the lid of the printer. Now that it's already removed, put it aside. Then you see here is your latch hooks, and there's two more Phillips screws that we have to remove. So we just remove them really quick. Alright, and then there is actually two more springs that are holding the hooks. So the thing you have to do is just remove them by hand, or you can use a needle nose pliers. Then when you're removing from the springs, you can just pull them apart. They're a little tight, as you can see. It is the right one. And then from there you can remove the left one. So it's actually very easy. Then just put them back. You just do the same opposite way. Put them back in. Put these springs in place. Put all the screws back, then you'll be good to go. Thank you. Have a good day.